Cote cocar era Tauri Atlántico. Pepe oímos afuera, Yagua oímos en extinción, Yaguarete, Boy, Jaguazú.
Pepe hoy ura matacuera acá o fuera. Carandaú, Dañú, Pedro, Tuapurú, Arajiñú, Arasa.
Hay ABI, Urutu, Baracayú.
Hoy Bunkiseru era Paraná, no era Mireza.
There are different types of human impacts here, whether positive or negative. For negative impacts, we have, you can see this Jaguarete is kind of enclosed, which is because of the indigenous people that come and capture some and even kill some, which is why Yaguá o iba en extinción, which means that he's almost at extinction. Also, here in this diagram, you can see the yellow means what the forest used to be like.
The original extent.
Now there's only about 7% left of what was the forest due to deforestation and negative impacts. Now for positive impacts.
Due to there being so much deforestation, the Paraguayan government, along with some private sectors, decided to install many national parks and protected areas. If you see here, these are the three most important or most well-known. The Maracayú one is the second biggest one and one of the most well-known. Then the Taputa one is small, but it's very important to bird species.
This is the Baracayú, which is the forest. And the cerro.
And then the Área Protegida San Rafael, which is the biggest one.
Here we have some information for Reserva Natural Taputa. There are 435 different species of plants, 44 different species of animals, and almost 275 species of birds. 55 of them are endemic to the forest, which means that they're only found there.
Then, of those birds, they equal to 50% of all birds found in Paraguay. Meaning, in this little area, which is around 4,400 square hectares, there is 50% of all bird species found in Paraguay. Meaning that this place is one of the most important places for bird species in Paraguay. There was also research done there by the Universidad Nacional de Asunción that they researched 10 most common species found in three areas: the north area, which is you see here, the southern area, and the southwestern area.
ABI, Ñande Cuyerera, Hera, Yaguá,
Primero nosotros.
y después ustedes.
Yaguá,
Sururame upe, Yaguá, ahora ustedes.
En guaraní.
Ya en guaraní.
Se lo practican. Practican. ¿Me van a ayudar?
Dale.
Dale.
Yaguá,
Yaguá. Yaguá.
que en español significa
No tiremos basura y no matemos a nuestro bosque y a los muchos tipos de animales.
don't throw trash, neither kill our forest and the beautiful animals that are living there. Ahuille.
Purajei.
Ahora, Ajenú, video musical trilingüe.